Maggie, why have you refused to accept Alex?
Mama, I did not refuse to accept Alex. I did not refuse. Alex is not my kind of man. That is the truth. The day I find the man that is right for me, I will let you know so that you will rest. For now, I want to be free as a bird.
Alex is a good man. Huh? I don't know why you just don't want him. I prefer Alex for you.
Mama, I don't understand. You prefer Alex for me as if you are the one that wants to go and marry him. Me that wants to marry him and telling you I don't want him. You are saying you prefer him. You want me to marry and come back? Is that what you want? I want to marry, stay in the marriage. Marriage is for better, for worse. I don't want to marry and come back here to come and meet you. Anything that will make me come back here after marriage, you should just be that I want to come and visit you. You understand? It's okay. Except you don't want me to visit you. The way I'm seeing you, you look like somebody that wash your hand like Pontius Pilate away from my life.
It's okay. I can see your mind is made up. It's okay.
So it's a way to suppress this shit.
You call that pom-pom that you have there, do I have it? Every time you talking, let me bring you some money for you.
I don't want that. I said this shit went down. As my mother just stand up, the shit just lift up. Shit, sorry, yeah? If you break, it's the one that break you. Sir, boss, handsome. You need to, next time, don't fight somebody that you're stronger than. So that you not kill the person.
Who is this one?
Admirer. Because I have something for you. Stand up, my love. And my heart. They have not used it.
Are you sure?
Yes, they have not used it. Except it's the person I bought it from that have used it.
Thank you.
Andy! Andy!
Raul!
Andy!
Hmm? Maggie, this is why you come my house. What is it?
I know say you'll be surprised. Say I come your house. I dey find Uche, your friend.
Uche. Uche does not stay in this village now. They stay for the neighboring community, that far.
Really?
No, it's not from here at all. What is it?
I bought something for him.
Where is it?
It's in my house.
Are you in love with him?
Yes.
You like him?
I love him.
You love him? I sure say him too, he will love you too. I'm sure. He's a good boy, very good guy.
I beg if you come, tell us I love him.
Okay.
He may love me back.
Yes. I should help you and talk to him.
That I love him, he should love me back.
I will do it. I will do it for you.
Make sure say you tell him.
I will tell you. I will tell you, don't have a problem.
Tell him that I love him, let him love me back. Please.
I will. Hey, good girl.
Bye-bye.
I will tell him. Love 110.
Hey! Mama!
What is it?
Mama!
You stayed long today. Why?
Mama, I had to help them serve their guests. Mama,
Why are you this happy?
Guess what?
You know I'm aging and my brain cannot carry things, so don't stress it. What is it?
Mama, when you were following Papa the first time you fell in love, how did you feel?
Hey!
She in a spot you did not like. Mama, see, I finally found the love of my life, the man I want to marry.
Are you for real?
Yes,
Why did you bring him home?
Mama, calm down. You're always in a hurry. He's not from this village. I will bring him in due time.
If you said so, but I prefer Alex. Alex is from this village and he's strong, so industrious, so humble. I prefer Alex.
Mama, why is it that when good things happen, you always want?
Sorry. I prefer Alex if you ask me. That's the kind of son-in-law that I wish to have.
The kind of son-in-law you wish to have?
Yes.
The kind of son-in-law you wish to have? Mama, I don't used to understand it sometimes. Mama, God forgive me for this thing I want to say. Mama, hope it's not what I'm thinking. It's like you are falling for Alex or something. Hey! You look at such a weakling. Alex that used to look at how he used to do. Something like Alex that I know that I can beat. See the kind of hair he used to do. I told him that the way the hair went up, I don't used to like it. Then any man that used to do washing of plates, doing all this kind of woman thing, I don't used to like it. Every time he'll be doing like butterfly. You don't know, nobody see what I'm seeing inside of Alex. I'm seeing Alex SCBK is not strong. You call your folk pocket order.
Kill we want to go. I've heard, I'm go.
You don't know.
I see.
It's like this my love of my life now. Is beer is not as much as Alex own. I told Alex, let his baby not be passing this certain area for where Alex baby full. I don't used to like it. But my love own is coordinated beer.
Hey, this love,
happy.
Today, love.
Happy.
Andy, tell me, wetin be this news wey I dey hear everywhere? Say Maggie dey always find you coming house here.
Who they give you this cheap environmental gossip now? Eh? Just say, me and Maggie no get anything. Abi somebody no fit visit me for my house.
I beg. May you give me the answer. No, they use question, they answer question. If person ask you question, just go straight, give me the answer. Tell me what be the relationship now, waiting at 1 year now.
Oh yeah, no verse. Wait, I go talk.
Then begin talk.
You know my friend now, Uche now. Maggie they love with them. So na middle man I be. I just be middle man. So she they give me gift. Make I carry they go give Uche. Don't finish. No.
Chineke. Wait oh. You won't tell me say you don't turn to errand boy. Now what they do for village now?
Che now. You say you na my baby. I know say they fear say somebody go collect me. Nobody go collect me from me. Now me and you. Now me and you. Don't fear anything.
So this way they clean your shoe, where they go?
I don't want to come out. But as I don't see you now, I don't get work again. Now you give my controller and I hold my remote. No face now. No face. Sorry. Hi, baby. Sorry. Sorry, I won't go inside.
Fine girl, how are you?
So wait till they talk.
You know this period now, this is our park, this is my junction. The guy tell me to get raw cash na wahala, na transfer.
Baby Nana, what you always tell me? I need money. And not be say they agree give me raw cash. And you know what we are facing in this country now.
You know somebody use your matter joke. You know as him be, say they act different machine, no act different machine, no be for your matter. I know they use this joke. I fit buy anybody, I fit prove anybody. For your matter, I go bath my dada. For my matter, I go lick head bath. Like how far? My woman dey, I dey come.
Now you collect that word of money. I dey
come. Make I see my woman. I dey come. No, my woman. You know my guy now. I dey come. No man, now the guy dey work with me. They very stubborn. The guy for his family they get crazy, mental issue. For the family, elder brother they mad, sister they mad, brother they mad. They all dey crazy. This one too you don't understand.
So wait till they talk. I need money.
No problem. I say for you, I will do anything. They hag election, they hag big election, no be for your matter. Vivas network, no, they need for your matter. Man just run around, big one or two.
Na 30,000 naira I need.
No, that's small change. Fine, girl. Just, I will just run around. I will come now, yeah?
So why did you ask to see me? Why you sounding harsh? Is it bad? Is it bad if I fall in love at first sight?
Love at first sight. We just met 2 days ago.
Does it matter? It doesn't matter.
Hey.
The thing is that I love you. I don't care if you're in a relationship or something. I don't care.
Wait. I know that you're in love at first sight. Wait first. So you don't care if I love another? You don't care if I'm in a relationship?
Yes, I don't care. Just give me a trial.
Can you leave my chest? Can you leave my chest first? Do you want to rape me? Leave my chest. What has my chest done to you now? Well, if you say you love me, no problem. But you have to give me time to think about it.
No problem, you can think about it. I love you.
Careful.
Like you love me, if you like it, hate me, it don't concern me. But this kind of love, now there I go die. Now there I go die. Now there I go die.
I don't like this your friend Uche that you're running head over heels for. I don't like him.
I don't understand why.
I don't know. But I don't fancy him. I don't like him. He looks corny.
I don't understand you. You don't like him. Why don't you like him? You don't know. He looks corny. I don't blame you now. Had it been that it is not me that went to go and introduce you to him, will you see him and hate him overnight?
Maggie, why are you talking like this? What I'm trying to say is that you should be careful. You should trust, as in don't just trust somebody like that. Try and know him. Find out things about him. You understand? Before giving your life, everything you have for him. Because the way I'm seeing you now, Maggie, if they leave you, you sacrifice your life. In fact, you give them your father's
house. It is you that will sacrifice your soul, not your life. Your soul. I don't blame you. It's me that left you here. You are talking rubbish. What kind of stupid talk is this one? Where is all this hate speech coming from? Eh? Or is this jealousy or something?
Me? Jealous of you? No. I'm just telling you as my friend.
As your friend? Or as my enemy?
No, no.
Because there's something else. There's something fishy aside this thing. Yes. Inside this talk now, there's something fishy. You have not told me that what is your aim. You have not told me your aim. It's like there's something more to this, Abby.
Please, Maggie, it's okay. Enough. It's about I give up.
There is more to this, yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
It better be.
Okay.
It better be. Because if I find out that there's more to this.
Please give me mineral. Fanta.
Which Fanta?
To use and.
Oh, look, Alana Apugu. I have noticed it, you, this girl, that this friendship is only you that is profiting from it. I never get anything in return from you. Anytime I go to your house, you don't used to ever give me food. You don't used to ask me for anything. But once you come to my house, I'm giving you food. And I'm still good in my cooler. Your mouth will not be sharp, you will not be saying rubbish. If you make me very angry now, I will just kind of spit now and throw it away. What kind of thing is this one? Why are you eating like a dog? Just look at how biscuit is littered everywhere.
Alright.
Respect your old age in this house, oh. Respect your old age.
Sorry. Oh, yeah, okay, no, just just give me Coke or more. Oh, sorry.
You can hear me. I want to eat. Oh, sorry. Somebody still here.
Give me water to drink. At least since you don't want to give me anything else, give me water.
Beautiful. Look at well. Go and fetch water from the well.
Forget the lover. Una forget the love on a man. I'm ready to do anything for you. I'm ready to go extra mile for you. Anything you want to tell me, I'll be go there. All I want is my lover. We'll be together. One. If you like it, love me. If you don't like it, not love me. So I decided to love you, but this kind of love, now there I go die. Is this a lover? Is this a lover? Come to
Are you serious?
I'm very serious. Hey, me, I was surprised. This is the very first time a woman spoke to me with such boldness. You needed to see how this girl was professing love how my chest is, that my hand, my muscles, that my foot spec.
See Maggie. See Maggie. Maggie, what they do, Mumu?
Which Mumu? Mumu we don't fall in love. She's swimming in love now.
You know what will happen? Like, we go play along.
Play along. How?
I will think of something.
Me wetin happen?
No worry. I get waiting and go think. Like I just figure out some things because that girl an asset.
Oh my God, you know this thing now. I no fit do anything with that girl.
Why? Just drink up.
I can't get my do. Anyway, she love good things. What do you expect?
Is this love? Is this love?
I'm fine, Mama. Don't fall.
So how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How are you?
Fine.
You sit well so you don't fall.
No, I will not fall.
What are you doing inside now?
I'm just warming some food.
Mama, it's well though. This is our dinner kind of work now, just to make ends meet.
Yes.
Eh? That the steak almost beats me. The push. Mama, it's so funny now. It's well though.
I want to laugh too much. You're too funny.
Oh, it's okay now. What's all about? Eh? You don't know that somebody's sleeping.
That you don't like this boy will not stop him or me chatting with him. What is wrong with you?
I don't understand. Alex! I have told you, stop coming to my father's house to come and look for me. I will not take it off. If you like, come here in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. It will not work for you. I will not marry you. Pack your load and go. I will not marry you. I've made up my mind.
Please leave.
Go for my papa's.
Leave. Let me even know what is wrong with you.
Forever.
Leave, eh?
Sis, Pepe.
Go. Sorry. What is wrong with you? See, I don't know why you hate this boy so much. I don't just know.
Mama, I don't hate the boy. It's the boy that hates himself. He's not good carrying himself like a man. I love masculine man. Men that can protect me. A man that can fight with me. At least even if I talk too much, he can just...
Hey! You keep destroying yourself. Alex is... See, shame on you. Shame.
Mama, you will not understand. This kind of dream, what you just be singing is, what have you done to me? I don't know. Believe me. I want to know. I love you.
Top money, Tabego, Ibaku. Man, no virus machine if you hack my Viva's machine. They get me, network day. I know they rig election. Now for that park, I they collect my money. That park, so shop money. Shop what you no good. Put for body. You want smoke? I now make us speed day high with me.
I still want pepper soup.
This woman, sometimes she has score. But I manage her well because her drink is always cool. And she always have my brand. Fine girl, get away you.
Hey, babe. I know what you can do, but will you help my brother to get a card?
You see, Imoma, they send you. Come. You better see that you be the wahala we bring that virus, we hack Viva's machine. You did for your eye. You know, be say if my guy was saying go kill you. So you won't bring your brother make all the money to me. Say, come on, shut up it. If I don't know you, maybe they put you car. If the woman find me come, you go put you car. If I do one or two kurukere based on man, you go put you car. I'm a Bob people. I'm a bar association.
Maybe it's not what I
better calm down.
Okay, you can
I they give you money. From that money, help your brother.
You can still find another thing.
Shop money, do anything. I'm giving you money. Bless your brother.
Baby. This is how much you love.
Someone.
Just say I dey flex with you.
Who the flex? This is my worker. You look my worker. Go, stand up. Chief, my love, come and see. You look my worker. I'm gonna kill you. You know, see my love, come. Come on, give her time, you stand that side. Do that side. Hey! Oh no, man, salo. Hey! My 5,000 V boot for back. 15,000 V boot for front. One day where able to one thing, able to learn. One day drum, able doctor description 3 times in a day. No overdose. Hey! Go, come and give my queen, my wife, my love.
Come on.
Go, see this guy. No, what did they do? Why you stand like that? You dey fight Biafra war, I been a Boko Haram war. Calm down. No, church, no, they look you.
Baby.
Careful, Nemesis. Your face is not looking bright at all.
I need money. I want to go to the market.
Now that's why I suffer the tell me. What you gonna tell me? Say, give me the money, I will give you. Tell me, baby, I need money. No, nah. Oh, natural is your right. I know, me. I put you in. I will give you the money, but there's a problem.
What?
You know the country where me and you there now. Cash no day. Now transfer.
Now transfer now. I know now.
So 20K dey okay.
I go manage am.
Ah, before that, I'm gonna come. The beef. Who does this? Where that girl? She know this.
Bring
Bring everything. Carry the cooler. Carry the pot. What do you get? Now only me now. Bring. Come. No, they shake your hands. My woman dey here. Now let's finish. You. Come. Why they look my woman like that? Who has water for your face? Mommy, don't mind her. She's not looking at you.
Baby, what's in business now?
Don't. Sometimes she say jadi. That's the problem she has. Her husband is suffering for jadi. So she loves selling jadi for some people too. Manage it.
Where pepper soup now?
Bring the pepper. I say carry the pot and the cooler. If it's too much, if you waste time, I will ship this shop from here to the next junction. Fine. Yes, as you are drinking it, it's entering my body. It's making my body to do.
I beg, now pepper soup I want.
Fine.
Come, madam, bring your pepper soup now.
Jesus. Wait till I will do this.
When did you get here? Not quite long. Anyway, I'm just coming back from your house now. And your mom told me you're not at home. What are you doing here? What's up? Why are you like this? My brother. You see, I'm not happy. Matthew is really making me upset. Making me feel bad. I always go to their house, one errand for her mother. Am I even good enough? Alex, you're my friend. You dare don't love the same way you do. If you like, worship her from now to tomorrow. She don't love you. Anyways, I'm just coming back from the city. Not quite long. And guess what? Our names are out for the community project fame in Fahop company in Lagos, and we are both to be representing the community there. Not only that, they have a house, a car, and 300,000 naira weekly allowance. Isn't that good? I think you're supposed to be smiling by now. That's good news. That's good news. No but. I know it's Maggie. Alex, I know it's Maggie. You see, let me tell you, this time around, nothing like Maggie. If you're not ready for this, I am going. If you like, sit here, think about Maggie for all I care. You will miss Maggie and you will still miss this opportunity. In one more, you like, sit here, your business. Maggie this, Maggie that. She don't love you. Move on with your life.
He has done for me what my father cannot do. He has done. Hey! Hey! He has done for me what my father cannot do. He has done. Hey! Who could believe that my own son, hey, will travel out? Hey! Hey! Alex! heard? Alex, my son, have you heard? Among the names of those representing our community in Fahop's company in Lagos State, oh, with a luxury house, big car, and big money. Alex, my son, go inside, pack your bags. Look at me. Ha! That thing you are doing, I've already packed my bags, so. Ewo, this one want to kill my happiness. Doesn't mean he's not happy over it. Come back here, Alex!
And the wetin you carry for bag? Na Maggie o.
Maggie?
The girl from my community now, my ex-schoolmate.
Oh, that girl.
Na she give me o, say make I give you. I don't know this guy.
Make you give me. How?
Try me how? She give me gift, make I give you. How you get the gift?
Wait now, hold on first. And you know this is not good now. Accepting gift on my behalf, it simply means that I have accepted, which you know I have not.
Uche, I beg you, no spoil this deal for me. No just spoil am. Now the only thing wey you go do for me for your life, since I know you, this is the only good thing. Just allow me, just play along for me. See, na me know that girl, na me know everything about her. That girl na an asset. I know what I get what I know what you don't know. Play along. Why now?
I should play along.
Yes. Anything will come out, we go dey share am 50-50.
Money go dey come out.
Yes.
Gift go dey come out
50-50. We go dey share am.
You sure?
Equal.
You sure? Make we play the game.
Make we play am.
Oh yeah, no problem. I dey game.
See am. I never open am.
You never open am, na you come carry am dey give me.
Check am.
If na big snake, na you dey inside then come.
Snake.
I think I love person sef. Yeah, I love. Are you the one she's loving?
I know you now. Let me get it.
No problem. Yeah. Wait to come with this one now.
You know they see you.
Eh?
Go. Why did you say they even go for this community self?
Wait. Did you just push me?
I don't understand. Una dey
But
too.
he push him kita.
Una dey too. No be only you. Una dey too.
Make I just assume say you don't know what you do just now. But wetin be the meaning of that question wey you just asked me?
Come.
Do you know me before?
Come on, Ogbani. May you rest. May you punk me. You dey feel say you bad. Oga, go ask of me, oh. Go ask of me. INEC chairman dey aware of me. Google me, I know dey Facebook. You see no how I see, you get well. For the fact say, monkey dey jump from one tree to another. Like I say 3 day 3 oh.
That come up for here. Be like say you dey craze. I been think say you don't know yourself, but now you dey worry you. See, make I tell you, if you try this nonsense next time, if you even want fight, no, I dey ready to give you.
You say?
You know me now. How can Kogi PC say back there? Kogi duka.
So na because say you fight the other day for my junction, they clap out for you. Your body dey sweet you. You dey feel like an adima. One thing gapi togi, make I tell you, this time my eyes dey on you. They no fit rig am like Viva's machine.
Na craze na dey worry you.
You got am.
Na craze, na big craze na dey worry you. Just try stop me next time. You go sweet I go do you.
You know dey fear. I dey see your dead body. I go tear your meat pass to pass for this community. Na me dey rule. You no dey too. Me. One day you go fear.
My love, when are you going to take me to your house? Let me know your house.
Hey, my love, I wish I could. But due to the job that I'm doing, I'm still patching with my own. Yes, I don't have a place of my own.
Hey, so sorry. That's true. If you come with a woman to your house, now your uncle will say you came back with a woman.
Exactly my point. That is what I'm saying. But my love, see, don't worry. Very soon, we'll get married and we'll live together.
Yeah. How much is a rented apartment?
House? To rent an apartment? That should be about 300,000 naira. Yes, and maybe if you are buying all these things you keep in the house, like cutting, all these kitchen utensils, pots and all that. You spend TV, you spend about 500,000 naira. Yes, 500,000 naira. You see, the money is too much. If you won't have work on baby, you are not picking your cup. There is no money on ground.
It's okay. I will think of what I can do. I'll try and gather the money and give it to you.
Eh?
Yes.
You gather the money. Hey, my love. Hi. You are too much, oh. Ah! You are just the best. You are simply the best. So you want to give me the money. Eh? Hey.
What are you always doing with that agbo? Do you even like yourself at all?
No, dey worry yourself. I have him under here. I mean, I know say he love me. For me, na him money, na me a day after. If no be that him money, I no get anything to do with that. Na be my own.
All I'm saying is, you better be careful. You know that guy is very bad.
Worry yourself. Eh? Don't worry yourself. I beg, come we'll go eat something nice, I beg.
What about that your Andy Joker's boyfriend?
I beg, leave that one, Joe. See, na him money, na me a day after. Once I get wetin I want, I don't zoom come up from this village.
The baddest.
Yes, now. You know they talk about money, me, nothing concern me.
You and me.
I beg, Moku they go, Joe.
My daughter, you say you need money for what? What do you need money for?
Ha! God abeg oh! God abeg oh! If not like this, you they ask you for blessing before you answer us. That means all of us go don die oh for this world. Ah! Mama, this is the 14th time I'm answering this question. In short, I don't have strength to answer again. I'm not a baby. Ah! Yeah.
It's even good that you know you are not a baby. You are not a baby. So it's high time you go and get married or you settle down for something.
No problem.
Settle down so that I can invest.
No problem. If not for marriage matter, I dey in the process already. Mama, give me this money, I can handle it. Eh? This thing I'm telling you is between life and death. Life and death. And if the person involved die, the blood will be on top of your head.
God forbid. Okay. How much is involved? Life and... You say life and death?
Eh? I thought you give me. It's something I can handle. Just give me the money. Let me do what I want to do.
Oh, yeah, go inside and take some money. But it's high time you settle down. Look for a business to do so that I can invest. Than all this money worries. I'm tired. The money that your father left is almost finished.
Papa, money no fit finish. Mama, you say I should go inside to go and collect the money.
Go inside it.
There's no problem. I don't want to rush and go inside. It's not be like it's your money that I've been waiting for since. Mama, how much is there? Hope there's enough money.
I know how much I kept there. Just go there and take the one you
say? Mama, you say?
I know how much I kept there. Or say, Mama, you say you don't hear well anymore.
This is 100,000 naira part payment for the completion of the house rent.
100,000?
Yes.
Hey! Chineke, 100,000. Hey! This one off me. Baby, you've made my life by giving me this money. This is huge.
You know I love you, that's why. Money will come too.
I know.
Please just get a suitable house for us.
You can trust me on that. Eh? And you know I love you. You're my angel. What can I do without you? And look, you just gave me 100,000. This is huge. Eh? In fact, may the Lord keep you. May the Lord bless you. May His grace continue to shine upon you. For putting a roof under my head. Don't just touch my chest. The chest is all yours. Touch it. Touch it now.
Una forget your lover. Una forget your love on a man. I'm ready to do anything for you. I'm ready to go extra mile for you. Anything you want to tell me. We go there. All I want is my lover. We'll be together. One.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Thank God. Is this why you came?
Yes. I came to tell you that I gave Uche, your friend, 100,000 naira.
100,000?
Yes.
When?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
Hey, you have done well.
Thank you.
Hey, you're a good girl, though. This your love is very strong.
Yes, it's very strong. That's why I'm even thinking of bringing more money to give to you.
More money?
Yes.
See, he's planning on getting married. That's the next plan.
Hey! Power!
We are coming very soon.
Hey! This was you, great.
Both of you be together.
Yes, amen.
That's the plan.
Amen. I say I should come and tell you now. You know you're the only friend that used to support us.
Yes, sir. You have done well.
Yes?
Yes, you have done well.
Thank you.
Oh.
How is your girlfriend?
She's inside. You want to be there?
No problem. I'll be on my way now. Okay. Bye-bye.
If you like it to me, it don't concern me. But this kind of love, now yeah, I go die. Now yeah, I go die. Now yeah, I go die.
My guy.
Madam, your daddy.
My daddy.
Uche now.
He's inside. I hope there's no problem.
No problem. Call her for me. Call her. See the hot.
Okay. My love.
So am my love.
My love, oh.
Show. My girl don't play.
Hey,
One day.
my man.
Nah, this our business.
How far now?
The game don't play.
Okay, she don't tell you.
Yeah, she thought.
This girl bring 100,000.
I know.
I shock.
No be small thing. Cut and cut. The hot.
What be that?
My own share.
Oh, you suppose get yourself. I don't even bring them out for you.
You carry cash for pocket the water.
You don't know me again. You never know to one.
Hey.
Me, I shock as this girl bring this money. I say for this hard time.
Hey.
Now you count full 100,000 naira complete. Give me. Your own share now. Why? What do you mean by for?
Why you go give me 10,000?
I don't go give you 10,000 naira.
For waiting now for
You
my.
say your share, I give you your share.
Wait, that's what you did. For my own initiative, my business idea. You want to rip me off?
Wait. I give you 10,000 naira, you reject them. How much it is I supposed to give you?
50-50.
50-50, that's what? Me and you, they do yahoo. Wait, make I ask you. If anything come out for this thing, not me go chest them.
We go chest them.
What talk it on problem call
50-50.
What do you mean by 50-50? You know enemy 50-50. Which one is 50-50? Mona gana lo yahoo. You know 50-50.
Let me introduce you for the business.
I not be me they do the business.
That's what you do. Okay, you dey shy eye for my own business. Abeg, give me my money, abeg. Don't put complete money.
No, wait. What be this one way they do?
Give me the
You want fight me? See, I go tear your eye now. I go use slap you thunder now. You dey create for my own house.
Give me my own.
I give you 10,000 naira. You are here. My friend, take your money.
Uche. For what now?
To show you that I'm a big boy, take everything. I'm even giving you cash. Cashless, if I fall down there.
What be this now?
This cashless policy and I'm giving you cash. You should appreciate it.
Uche, now so you there? Uche, you see? Wait, for my own business. No problem. No problem. Thank you. No problem. Okay. No wahala.
My love.
Why are we enjoying like this? Have you gotten a new job?
New job what? Which job? See, I love my kind of job. Just forget about anything job and enjoy yourself. If you need more fish, tell me, I will tell you. If you need ngongo pepper soup, chicken pepper soup, just mention it. I'm capable. Forget about job and enjoy yourself.
If you say so.
I said so.
But don't forget the children's school fees. It's 65,000 naira. You know it's more money.
65,000 naira. How much did he just call 65,000 naira? 65,000 naira has been taken care of. It's a chicken change. Yes!
Are you serious?
It has been taken care of. I told you now. I told you that will make you happy.
Yabuna, ntabazi azu.
I have money now. There is money.
My love, my love.
Obi! Nyemonu, increase the music.
If this is dream, I beg you, no waking me up. It's your love, Shurike, but this one too sweet, yeah. As I have decided to love, no going back.
Why are you smiling like a goat?
Am I smiling?
You are smiling like a goat that is just burnt. Let this thing not graduate to madness. Oh. Let it not graduate to madness.
Relax. I will tell you. I'm in love.
Yeah? You're in love. So I now have a competitor. In love with who? Who is the lucky person? Who is the unfortunate person? Sorry.
Oh, stop now. Don't worry.
The person is
He's
unfortunate.
dark, average, handsome. You see, he's
don't understand. Is that how to describe somebody? If you want to describe him, see, he's from Mazi Okonkwo's house. He's from this. His name is this.
His name is Auntie.
Andy. Which Andy?
The dark one now. That has ears, that has this small.
Come and show me his house. Which Andy? If it's the Andy that I know, he is occupied though. Let them not break your heart. He is occupied. I will not stay and be alive and watch them cheat on you. He's occupied. Come and show me his house first. Let me know whether it's the Andy.
Well, now you will see.
Come and show me. Let me know whether it's the Andy that I know.
That is it. Which even threatened to fight me if I try it again.
I know what to do. You see, anytime we Maggie won't give you money, tell am say you need to be there for evidence. Anytime when she won't give you money for Uche. You dey hear me?
Right. Since now you give me like this. You see why I pray? No be just only this one, but the one we did for upstairs. Thank you. Now what thing I go do? That's what I go do.
But that money no go there enough.
You know there now. Me when don't plan how I want to take 50,000 do so you go carry 20,000 give me. I want to take money 20,000 with what I want to do.
Ha! I beg you, that money no go reach me because I don't already plan wetin I go use that 50,000 naira do. Yes, now what you dey expect before?
50,000 will never even reach my hand. We plan now.
I don't plan wetin I wan use am do. You no go reach.
So now we be 20,000. What you? How we go?
I go give you 1,000 naira, collect 19,000. I go manage the 19,000 naira. You know they happy.
So this whole hustle na for your pocket.
So you no go say thank you. You know say me I dey kind enough. You want me to collect the money from you? Say thank you.
Is this love?
They come back.
Is this love?
Don't you think you're wasting your time on this girl? Because from the handwriting, this girl don't love you the same way you do.
Can you quit speaking about my Maggie in such tone? Listen, let me tell you. Maggie loves me. And I know she loves me. She will certainly come around. And I'll be waiting. I'm not in a hurry, right?
This is not the Alex I used to know at all. This is not you. Anyways, What's up with the Lagos Waka? When are we leaving?
Not yet.
Really?
Yes. Listen. This is the new development. Alright? I will get married to my Maggie first and then relocate with her to Lagos. That's what's up.
You want to get married to Maggie first and relocate with her? While you're preparing to marry Maggie, just know that the community development fame will not take all this delay from us. As you can see, me, I can never afford to miss that plan. So you better hurry up. Let's leave. When we get there, you can have as many wives as you can before all this your love madness get over you.
Well, I don't care what you call it, alright? What matters to me right now is that I am going to get married to the love of my life first. And that's final.
Let's go. We better go to that city because I can't miss that opportunity.
It is Maggie or no Lagos.
Change talk.
You are here. I've been looking for you.
That you have seen me, what?
Mama, I've been thinking, so I've decided now. I want to start a business. I need money. I want you to give me money so I can start a business.
Eh? You? Want to start a business? Now you're sensible.
I can say you're so
I'm so proud. Jesus Christ. You are now reasoning well. It's even better. So that you will stop jumping from one friend's house to another and stop painting all this this side black, this side yellow, this side red, this side green.
Mama, this painting has to confuse my enemies.
Yes. You are now reasoning well. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I will give you that money.
Ha!
Me.
Okay, Mama.
I will give you money immediately. I'm only Chamo. I will give you money
Mama,
immediately.
Mama, thank you very much.
Child.
I know that you'll be very proud of me. I will still make you proud. You don't know what has been happening. I've been reading a lot of motivational books. I've been listening to motivational speakers, even if they have not been able to motivate themselves.
But they have motivated
They have
you.
motivated me.
I will give you that money. Oh,
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Hey, see my daughter. Please never now. Oh, Mama. Hey, I'll give you money.
Thank you. Thank you.
If I can someone on my heart, if this is dream, I beg you not waking me up. If your love will surely get, this one too sweet to you.
Maggie, please. Just give me some minutes of your time. Some minutes, Biko. Biko.
I should give you some minutes.
Biko.
Okay, no problem. I'll give you 10 minutes. Your time starts now. 1.
Maggie, what is my offense? What is my offense? Maggie, why do you hate me this much? Why?
You see it. First and foremost, physically, you are not the kind of man I want. You do not attract me at all. I can't love you.
Maggie, don't judge a book by its cover. You don't have to judge a book by its cover. Maggie, please give me a chance.
Hey, you see why I hate you the more? I'm telling you, this is the reason why I hate you the more. You're always too persistent for my liking. Always following me up on that like sassafly. Nonsense. Respect yourself. Oh, I've told you I cannot love you. I don't know which part you don't understand.
But tell me. Maggie, tell me now. What is the solution? Because, Maggie, I don't seem to find it easy with you. I can't stay away from you.
Good. Then, your minute has ended. Your time has ended.
Maggie,
bye.
Maggie. Maggie, it's not fair.
You know love me. So decided to love you. But this kind of love, not yet I go die. Is this a love? Is this a love control? Obuka love siata. Onemem jiggy jiggy bam bam.
My son, what is it that bothers you this deep? Please talk to your mother.
Mama, am I okay? Just take a good look at me. Is anything wrong with me?
My son, you are perfect. Please, you are confusing your mother. What is it? Please talk to me. You know a problem shared is a problem solved.
Mama, I'm in love with the lady. I love this girl so much. I do. But she's not giving me the energy I deserve. Mama, this girl keep pouring me on the ground. She kept telling me how bad I look. So it just kept ringing on my head to ask you if anything is wrong with me.
Shut up, my friend. Nothing is wrong with you. How can you say that? It's only a fool that will not know when God sent good thing to her. But if I may ask, who is this lady?
Mama, her name is Maggie. The one you know.
Okay.
Mama, I love her so much. See, she's the reason I'm still here in this village. Because I'm hoping that I will get married to her and travel with her to Lagos. But she's just making a fool out of me.
Don't worry, my son. I will talk to Maggie.
Mama, you're joking, right?
No, I'm not joking. If that is what will make you happy. I don't like seeing you like this, my son.
Mama, you mean you're going to talk to Maggie for me?
Yes, I will.
Oh, Mama, that would be nice.
I will.
That would be nice, Mama. Thank you.
I will.
Thank you.
Anything for you.
Thank you, Mama. You know what? I'm happy right now.
Thank God you are happy.
I want to bring her in to be your daughter-in-law.
I've already accepted her.
Yes.
Don't you give me high BP. Thank God you are happy. Oh,
Thank you so much.
Son.
Hey, Andy, come. Andy, I was on my way to your house.
Yeah, make it snap.
Andy, please, what I want to discuss with you is about my mother. I don't know what I will do to make my mother love Uche.
She's your mother now. Make her see reasons with you. After all, Uche is the man after your heart.
Uche is the one I love. I don't love any other person.
Good.
Okay, I know what to do. I will try and talk to my mother. Because I want to prepare this thing down. I know Uche will soon come and see my mother for my marriage.
Yes. We are coming very soon. See, when next you want to give Uche any money, make sure I'm there. I want to be your witness.
Okay, if I want to give you money, I should make sure you are there.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You are absolutely right. It's true. I will make sure you are there.
Yes.
I'll do it. Thank you.
And thank you for the things you have been giving to my friend.
No, it's not his love that make me do it. Anything I give you. Is it not the polo I buy for Uche that is this one? Now me buy the polo for Uche now. Okay, you now wear it. You wear it.
Yes.
You wear the polo I buy for Uche.
He just gave me one.
Okay, he gave you one.
Out of the seven.
Let Uche not transfer my love to you, because I used to buy things for Uche with love.
Yes.
Anything I buy for Uche, love, I used to put love inside. Yes, now, because my love used to touch all the things I used to buy for Uche. So let you know affect you.
Sorry.
No problem.
So where are you going to?
I was going forward before, but since you have, I've seen you, I will go backward.
Me, I'm going like this.
Okay. Tell Uche that I love you, bro.
No problem.
Say that I love you. That you not follow another girl, only you.
Okay.
Only you. If you love only you.
Yeah, Maggie. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? What is she looking at?
I'm looking for the handwriting on the one because I cannot see anyone, not talk of handwriting.
Maggie, leave this nonsense you are talking now. Did you know that my son loves you so much?
I don't understand though. Which of the English you and my mother don't understand? Is it that the barber don't know how to barb? Or the clipper is not sharp? Which one? I have told you I cannot marry your son. I'm in love with somebody else and I'm planning to get married. Your son is not my type of man. Your son used to work out like woman. If he's working, he will be shaking his nyash. And it's not, that thing used to vex me. He will be shaking his nyash, pam, pam, pam. Is that how a man works? Eh? He wants to have baby. He did not have baby like a normal man. He had baby like abnormal men. Baby will start from year to year. The thing used to irritate me. What kind of nonsense talk is that? Warn your son, oh, warn him, oh. I should stop all those nonsense now. Everybody should carry his family problem on their head and leave me alone. Excuse me. If you don't even want to excuse me, I will excuse myself. Eh? I don't know which one that you for. Every time you carry your family problem, put it on my head.
Hey, Chimo. Alex, you brought this upon yourself. Can you imagine her insulting me? Look at this tolo of a girl. Hey! Alex, don't worry. Can you imagine?
What a beautiful name, Sonia.
You flattered me.
So what will I gain to that?
Do I know? You tell me. And why is he not in your house?
Yes. Answer that question.
Because my girlfriend stays with me.
Your girlfriend? Who is she?
Who am I?
She's my girlfriend. No, Sonia, it's not like that.
Oh yeah, move to the house.
Whose side is the house?
Move before I give you your own dirty slap. I said move!
Like this?
Yes.
Sorry.
I said move!
You look so beautiful when you cry. I am Alex. And you are?
Back off. It is not necessary.
You see, whatever it is that made you cry can be sorted out. At least let me know your name.
Sonia.
Oh, Sonia, thank you. We can discuss it some other time, right?
Maybe.
Mama, you mean she said all that to you?
Enough! Before you last year, I said something to insult you or make you feel bad. What is that?
Alex, are you being serious?
Mama, I'm serious! I'm serious right now! Listen, this is all I want and nothing more, Mama. Listen, as for that luxury house and official car, it can wait for all I care. Maggie is all I want to marry, Mama.
Come on, shut up!
I want to marry her!
Can you imagine? Hey, Chimo! This boy want to kill you! This boy want to kill you! Alex, come back here! Come back here!
Jesus! What did they do here?
just come to collect my own share for the Vivax machine. May I not act the election origami. Just go, sharp, just.
Abeg, I no fit do anything here. I don't tell you. Here na my house. When the time comes, we go do am, but not be for my house.
That kind thing no fit happen here at all. Na me dey call the shot. Na just one mouth. So phone, mo do am, kwam.
I no go fit do anything with you for my house. I don't talk am finish.
Jesus!
There's a guy I went out with on a first date, and the girlfriend traced us to where we were. Yes, and he introduced the girl as his girlfriend in front of me. I just slapped him and I just went out from there.
Poor you. I can imagine the feeling. So sorry, okay? Well, mine is that there's this guy I love so much. I really love her so much. But she told me that she doesn't love me. Yeah. She insulted me. And the painful part of the whole thing is that she embarrassed me countless times in the presence of her mother. And even insulted my mother too. Can you imagine that?
Wow, that's so rude. So, sorry about that. I'm really, really sorry. But this girl in question, what's her name and what's your name?
Yeah, like I told you earlier, my name is Alex. And her name is Maggie.
Maggie.
Why are you laughing? What's funny?
Such a small word. Maggie is my best friend.
What?
Yes. And the guy I'm talking about is his schoolmates.
I see. Wait, Maggie, the fair girl?
Yeah, the pretty one.
That lives close to the market?
The one that father is married before.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? What an irony.
Yeah. Hold on. Are you the Alex?
How? Like? Wow.
It's okay, it's fine. It's okay. I need to leave now. It's getting late. I need to go and prepare. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Come now. I really enjoyed your presence here. I wish we could meet some other time. You know why? Because I would like to take you to Nigerian's local support. I want to buy you shoe. I know you like it,
problem.
Women. Can I see you off? Or?
No, it's fine. Don't worry.
Are you
fine.
sure?
Yes. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Okay. Wow. Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks for coming around.
Yeah.
Where are you dragging me to now? I want you to make me feel like a woman. Want us to do something.
No, wait now. You know we are not supposed to do this thing now. We're supposed to do it when we are married.
Which one? Do you know how long I've been fantasizing for this thing? Let us go and do that thing. Because
This is dream. I beg you, no waking me up. If your love will but this one too sweet, yeah. As I have decided to love, no going back. If you like it, love me. If you like it, hate me. It don't concern me. But this kind of
Baby, wait now. Hold on, baby, wait. Hold on first. You know you are irresistible. Only one can get killing fever now, or you know, mamba. After all, you are my full spec. You be female, so let us get this small.
Una forget your love, una forget the love, una man. I'm ready to do anything for you. I'm ready to go extra mile for you.
My fine girl, my love. Are you still angry based on what happened yesterday?
See, Brian, I don't tell you finish. I know they do again. I use God beg you.
You know, say that kind of thing know that happen for her. That kind of thing know they lie. I know sabi beg. I don't reason am. I don't checkmate am, balance am, subtract am, minus am. Call reason am say, make I tidy you 20 payers. Make you take see phone, make you take the fresh up. How you see am?
Where the 20,000? Give me the money now. Shebi, you know say what you do me dey very painful. You know, Abi. Just dey pray make I no get belle. Yes, I don't tell you finish. Dey pray make I no get belle.
Ta! That can't no do. Divas wey no get network, no dey useful o. Ogbeni, make you hear am well. Divas wey no get network, no dey useful. So no fit say you can't use belle to hold me down. You dey get? Tomorrow make you see I enjoy you though.
See, I don't talk my own finish. Just dey pray. Just dey pray. You see that your pack money, me and you go chop am as husband and wife. Bet me. I don't talk finish.
Fine, yeah. Sherry Coco. You sweet me. You go like am. I can throw the apple for you now. Divas name she no get network.
Stop. What are you doing?
They have to do this because all these days they are lazy.
Mama, but you know I'm around now. Let me do it.
You are here. Come again, man. That's why I really miss you. Where have you been?
I miss you more. That's why I had to come and check on you. I've been around now, busy with one thing or the other, going to the bush, checking my traps.
You have started again.
Mama, you know, I had to hit to Maggie's instruction of me not coming here again. I don't want her to bite my ear.
See, don't mind Maggie. You are free to come and check on me anytime you want to.
Really?
Yes.
It's okay, Mama. Thank you. But wait, Mama. Where is she?
She's not around.
Oh, she's not around.
She went to her friend's place to braid her head.
Okay, let me hurriedly do this before she comes back and bites off my ear.
No. Just
How are you now?
Fine. Easy. My son, you're too hardworking.
What can a young man do?
Hey, that's why I like you. Maggie, you know I met Alice, your friend, yesterday.
No, Alice, no, which Alice? Alice, my friend.
Yes.
And what was happening? So you were gossiping about me? Or what happened?
No. We met yesterday. He said he wanted to know what happened to me the other day. I was crying. So, and he now talked about you. Yes.
So you people did not gossip about me?
No. We didn't know we're friends.
Yeah.
It was yesterday.
And that's why I was smiling when you were telling me. I mean, don't mentioning them. At the mention of Alex, I used to get angry.
What happened?
I just hate his baby.
He's a handsome guy.
Handsome what? Remove the hand, remove the sum. He's a handful.
He's a very nice guy. He's caring.
Sonia, are you falling for that also? Don't try it though. Don't try it. He used to walk like a woman. If you look at the way he used to check his bumble. Wait, one day, any day he's working, I will call you. Let's go to behind his back. I'm looking at his snatch. Yes, no. He used to shake his snatch when he was working.
He was very caring.
Adashi, if you want take it, Adashi, this is what you're doing. I'm caring. People like you, they're the kind of friends that used to look for what nobody's looking for. Collect! Adashi, take it. Adashi. Take Alice if it's what you want. Because you mentioning him is nice. Adashi, my sister.
So you don't have anything to do with him?
Me! God forbid! I have anything to do with baby. People's baby used to start from this place. You want to start from like this. I like masculine men. Men that are very strong, that will defend me. That when they fight, they will fight with. But you see Alice, you will not come and have it kissing me. Is that one a man?
I like him anyway. He's a very handsome guy. He's caring. He was asking me, why are you crying? Why are you crying? What happened? You'll be fine. You'll be okay.
God. When my friends were asking for friends, you gave them better friend. You reached my turn. I asked for friend. Now, Mumu, you give me. This way.
Why are you insulting me?
I insult you. I'm praying to my God. Only me and my God know what I said.
Okay, it's okay. Please, do you have anything, even if it's malt or juice, anything? I'm a visitor. Mama. It's only Mama that knows my papa. Mama.
Alex,
Mama?
is it true that you are among one of those people that the empowerment scheme just did?
Mama, I'm go. Mama,
Why wasting time? What are you still doing here?
Mama, it's Maggie. Ma, I want to get married to Maggie and travel with her to the city. Ma, I don't want anyone to steal her away from me in this village.
I so much love my daughter. I wish my daughter could just love you back. I wish to have a son-in-law like you.
Ma, don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. I won't go anywhere. Me and Maggie will die.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I will pray.
If you like it, love me. If you don't like it, no love me. So I decided to love you, but this kind of love, like yeah, I go die.
Don't look my face now.
Just no.
Just come on my face.
But what is going on? I want to go.
Don't dare. She knows I will marry you.
I beg. Just tell me that.
Let me see your phone there. How many kids are you going to have? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come, Sonia, I want to see you. You be allowing him to use his thing to touch your thing. That is it. There's trouble in paradise.
What happened?
I've not seen my period this month.
Wait, what are you trying to say? That you're pregnant? Are you having any sign?
No sign yet. That's the problem. But you remember I told you that me and Uche did bad thing, no? I told you.
What do we do? But it's okay now, no problem. Shouldn't conclude yet. Don't worry, next week here you see it.
Next week is next month.
It doesn't matter, you see it next week. Just relax. You're not pregnant, relax.
Okay.
Now, see as you dey shine. You are looking good though. My brother, life is good. Life is very good. Hey man, has no way into my first. Kai!
Oh, I'm enjoying, you know. Nah, this girl really loves you. She loves you.
Love is an understatement. That girl is dying for my love. Hey, you see this my chest? Obiagoma, Ojili Egwu. She doesn't play with it. Hey, maybe.
My love. Sorry, see, this is the 50,000 naira. I brought it for you.
50,000.
Yeah, use it to pay part of the payment.
You are too much.
Thank I'll be going now. Let me know distract Andy.
My sweet Maggie.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, what is it? Leave me alone.
Share this money now. Share
the money. I don't understand.
Give me my own. See the hot. What do you mean this?
Your share now.
For what? 50,000.
I don't understand.
For 50,000.
No. Now your chest, not my chest.
Give me 10. Give me 10,000 now. Uche. Uche, don't dey greedy.
I keep quiet for you to enter this my community anytime when you like. The galavant in here, the phone like Chakaba. Eh? They loot my sister. See they chop your money, they chop your arabas, they collect no go under skirt. And even they talk, you get mind they talk. See they chop the game money, they chop your money, they chop your arabas. Okay. For this my mama, they enter this village anytime when you want.
Okay.
You don't get fear, you don't get respect.
Okay, Andy sent you people after me, right?
And even they talk.
Andy Zulu Kunoba Paniemen, right?
When am I going to say?
Eh? Ha! Andy. Okay. See, I don't have your time. I'm going to somewhere. Please.
Come back, your son.
Don't know boy, son.
I'm gonna kill your body, talk to the talk. What am I lawyer you?
Which time matter come be that? Which come be that one, huh?
Eh?
What be that? Come polish it. Don't know boy, son. Ah,
no man lawyer you.
Hello, baby.
Where am I lawyer you?
Oh, my old baby.
Come on, go down.
Hello, baby.
Go down.
Hello, baby.
I said go down.
My old baby.
Come on, I said go down. What's up?
Hello, baby.
Grab this nigga. What is it, man? Who they kill you? Shut the door. Go. Don't go down.
What's up?
Come on,
What's
sir.
up?
Sir. Come on, sir.
Come on.
Otto! The mentor.
Collect my money. Andy.
The mentor.
Andy, I know say your hand dey. Come on. Your hand is in this one. Andy.
Give me.
Andy, your hand is in this one.
Hold it.
Andy, you set me off. No problem.
Baby, what did you even say that happened to you?
So what have you seen? Just a considerate for me.
Oh, no. Baby, it's not like that. Hmm? You see, I hope you gave him bruises too.
Trust me. I tried my best. I took him back. He looks disaster. I think it's high time for me to tell my girl. I'm tired.
No, baby, it's not your time. Eh? Please stop. Wait now. Eh? All these things I'm doing for you. Yes, if you see another woman outside, you go and start chasing her. How we shall use this to burn your face?
Sorry. But I told you I'm sorry. Huh?
So you want to tell me if you see woman you not follow her again?
Promise.
So this one don't teach you lesson.
Andy. Okay. And you don't get mine though. Set me up.
Why is your face like this?
Andy has the mind to set me up. Me! Andy Ejeno Ona.
But Andy is your friend from school. What happened? Anyway, these kids, they've come back from school and there's nothing for them to eat. They're very hungry.
Wait. Which of the language did you not understand? Eh? I just said that Andy, my friend, set me up and collected all my money. And they are here telling me about hunger.
I heard you loud and clear. I heard you. But I don't know who Andy. These kids are hungry.
Bikokwa, I don't want to hear. I said I don't have any money. There is no money on ground. There is no money. What do you want me to do?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You have to provide money.
Please, nobody should stop me. I'm not in a good mood. Nobody should stop me.
My love, you have to be in a good mood though. The kids are hungry. They've not eaten anything. They've not eaten anything.
I'm hungry. Me too, I'm hungry.
How can you be hungry?
Somebody set me up and took away my money. They are telling me I'm hungry. You have not eaten this money.
Come and bring food though. These kids are hungry. I'll not go. Uche! Uche!
Daddy are gone.
You see?
Daddy are gone.
Daddy are gone. Daddy are gone. Go and hold your phone. Go and tell him that you should go and get me.
Maggie, since you rejected Alice, I've been wondering, this your newfound love, you have never made any effort bringing him home to meet your mother.
Mama, calm down now. You like rushing too much. I've told you he will come. He's preparing on coming to this place. He will soon come.
Or has he changed his mind? Yes, because the way I'm seeing it is like he's an unserious person. He might disappoint you at the end.
God forbid. Mama, don't say that. Don't be wishing me evil. Is it because of Alex? You're trying to push Alex on me. Then wish me evil. It's not good now. Who told you he will disappoint me? If it's Alex now, you will not say that he will disappoint me. That's reached my own love now. You're saying he will disappoint me. Somebody you don't know. Mama, stop, I beg. Okay. He's a very nice guy.
See, you know why I'm saying this? I am an elderly person. And what we elders sit down looking at, even if you climb an iroko tree to look at it, you will not see it.
Mama, the same thing with you people. What a child see while crawling on the floor, even if you lay your belly flat on the ground, you will not see it. One.
No, you know more than me now.
Allow me, Mama.
I don't want to go to ban for.
Mama, bro, I don't
want.
I did not choose Papa for you, so don't choose husband for me.
I'm not choosing for you. I'm not choosing. You found love.
Mama, if you don't work, you go. If you see this, my man, I'm telling you about. Okay, boo. No, mean, DK.
No, that is why you are calling every time now. You are calling. No, I'm not calling you. You know, every time you're running after me.
Mama guess she has been looking for you. What did she say is the problem?
How is it your problem? Is it your concern?
Mama, since when did Mama get she discussion?
Since your own things are private to you, it's none of your business.
Oh, Shama Buru train.
So, what are you saying? Okay, if you say so, just knowing that we need money, because my body cannot do without money.
Wetin be that? Hope say no be belle o. Hope no be belle because I know you. You never gree me. Hope no be belle.
What kind of rubbish talk is this one? See, if you're tired of me, just tell me so I will go back to my father's house.
You know what I mean, man. Just each time for me back to me. Make you no be belle. So, I see.
What is it now? See, See, it's as if I'm pregnant.
Don't say.
Like, for the past 3 weeks now, I don't know, I've not seen my period.
How manage? No, who is responsible?
I don't even know. I'm so confused. For the past 3 months now, Andy has not touched me.
Is it Brian? Then it's Andy.
It cannot be Andy now. I never agree Andy for the past 3 months now.
Don't worry. Let's give it to Andy.
It cannot be Andy now. Andy has not touched me. I never agree him since.
Don't worry. There is a way to go about this thing. See, let me think. You know that Andy is somehow mumu-ish.
Okay, we should just
we can
put it on.
Yes. But let me just think. Oh?
I beg, fast.
Just go, I'm coming. Let me just finish something for my mother. Don't panic, oh, I'm coming.
Sorry. I hope I didn't
kept
keep
you.
you.
Of course you did kept me waiting.
Sorry.
But it's fine.
So tell me, what is this thing I'm hearing in the community?
What did you hear?
The Fahops company that you were part of them that won the contest. So why are you not there working like others?
You know, it hasn't been easy. It hasn't. I've not been happy, you know. But now, all that has changed. It has changed. Because of you, I'm now happy.
See, if you want to make me happy, you need to go for that job in Lagos. Yes.
It's okay. As your lordship pleases.
Don't just start with me.
So shall we?
Mm.
Come here, behind me.
Maggie? Hey! Maggie, is it not you I'm calling? When did you start stealing my food and taking it outside?
Stealing? Me steal your food?
Is that not my food that you're carrying there?
Hey! Oh, mama. That's why somebody who want to do good now forget himself. Eh? I was going for my charity work, mama. You know that, did you forget? Why you acting? Why you keeping your face like that? I don't need to like it. When you know that when pastor said that we should be giving to the less privileged, we should give to the poor whenever they are hungry. That's what I'm trying to do. Sonia, my friend, since she has turned herself to less privileged people, is always begging me for food. This time around, she told me that hunger wants to kill them. I should give her food. So that's why I said, let me do the work of God. And I put
Sonia your friend?
Yeah, she's hungry. She's now a less privileged mama. What a word. But there's no problem. We'll do the work of God.
Did you dish out good food for her?
I dish enough food for her now. And she was the one I was about going to go and give her your food.
I was going to give to her now. So I thought you would steal my food because of the way you were just doing as if you're sneaking out. So
me sneak in my father's house. As what? Mama, have you not noticed it? Whenever I want to go out, if there is sun, once there's sun, there's a way I used to walk. Once sun come and like that, I'll start like with the sun that I'm seeing. I don't know that. Is the one, Mama, no problem. Let me go and do the work of God now. Take and sanctify. with me for your day can sanctify with me for your own love. They can sanctify.
Good afternoon. How is your mother?
She's fine. She's fine.
Sonia,
Huh?
I hope you like the food your friend brought to you in the morning.
Okay, yes. Ah, it's very sweet
Your
though.
brown no dey stay.
It's
You
very
like
sweet.
it?
Yes. Thank
Okay,
you.
no problem then.
Take care of yourself.
Mama, bye bye.
Okay, tell me, what's the meaning of that
Cold,
thing?
my sister, cold man no press for me. You better stay with your cold.
What's the meaning of that nonsense? What food is she talking about?
Respect yourself.
What food is she talking
Person no
about?
fit play with you small. Which one is what food? The food I've been giving you in your dream since, not be food.
Eh?
I've not been feeding you in your dream. Let me tell you, physically you are hungry. Spiritually, I've been coming to your dream to feed you. That's why you're having weight like this. You dey talk nonsense.
Hey! In the dream!
I believe that in me. Thank
Be
you for
care-
coding. To say you know code, I for blow your head.
Criminal. Be careful. Be careful. Don't land me in problems.
Which problem? I bet more than your hand. Wait, can't pack my food.
Leave it. Let's go and eat the food first.
No, we don't have food.
There's food. Mama said there's food
You
inside.
don't have food.
I'm going inside.
Also, come on, pack this clothes.
Let's go and get food. Mommy, come and give me the food now. Am I not a visitor? Oh yeah, let me help you so it will be fast. Just bring this food. I don't know why you're acting like this.
Hey, I beg. I beg, don't fold that clothes anyhow. That clothes na signature clothes.
See, okay, leave it and later we'll pack it. Let's go. So you bring the food now. Is there goat meat? Cow meat. It's obvious you don't want to give me this food. Look at you're wasting time. Where is the food? Bye-bye. This one where your face dey like this. Wetin happen?
Don't mind Andy. I met him on my way coming to this place and he was saying all sort of rubbish. But by the way, who is that young man?
Oh, now my mama brother pikin. He just come see me.
And he didn't bother to introduce me to my in-law, my future in-law.
Oh, no mind me. Don't worry, next time, Next time I go introduce them to you.
It's okay. Let's go to the house. I want you to cook for me. I'm very hungry.
Baby, I'm so tired. I'm gonna leave him next time. Next time I go cook for you, okay?
Next time.
But tell me, what is that thing that Ike told you?
Don't bother. See, what matters is that I love you. Forget all this cheap gossip we have in this community.
But tell me, what did you say?
Do you know the important? Just go inside, go rest. You know, since you know how I get started, no what I have to manage. I have to manage.
Bye-bye. Manage well, oh. I love you too.
Sister. When will you stop playing all these games? How can you call that young man our brother?
Are you mad? You don't get respect again, Abi?
Sister, you say Zukwanike.
Jesus Christ. If I slap you, God will punish you there, idiot. Oh. Nonsense girl.
I don't know why we're doing this to ourselves. Alex, what do you want from me? Because if it's to warm your bed, I am the wrong person.
I really want you. I want you forever. I want you to be with me.
Is this a love? Is this a love? Kanjua Obuka love siata Onemen jiggy jiggy bam bam Ihekena sabwana moya If this is dream, I beg you no waking me up. If your love was shirike, but this one too sweet, yeah. As I have decided to love, no going back. If you like it, love me. If you like it, hate me. It don't concern
Bye.
this kind of
Mother Makuyaye, anybody in the house?
Who is there?
Oh, good afternoon.
Afternoon, my son. Are you looking for somebody?
What are you doing here? You didn't tell me you were coming.
Well, Mama, my name is Alex. I'm Sonia's friend. I came to look for her.
Please come in.
Thank you, Mama.
Come in, my son.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, my son. Just these 2 knees.
Hey. Our mothers with their knees. They always complain about their knees. You'll be fine, okay? You'll
Yes, I know. Amen. I will. Just the knees, I don't know exactly. Right inside.
I can imagine. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Is this a love? Is this a love? Kanjua Obuka love siata Onemen jiggy jiggy bam bam Ihekena sabwana moya
Mama, you know what? I love Sonia. I love her so much.
My daughter.
I really do. I love her character. I'm even thinking of getting married to her. Serious, Mama. It's just that she's giving me headaches sometimes. But I'll get used to it.
Anyway, that's thoughtful of you. Have you taken your time to talk to her about it?
I'm giving her clues, but Mama, I can be shy sometimes.
Let me tell you, men don't shy over what they want.
Oh, men don't get shy over what they want. Bam! I've taken that one.
You're welcome.
That's a strong one, Mama. Oh, men don't get shy over what they want.
At all.
It's okay.
Is this a love?
Hey,
My
Papa.
baby. How are you?
I'm fine. I was actually coming to your village to see you.
Eh? I was even coming to your own place. You know I've missed you.
I've missed you.
I've missed you so much. I've missed your touch, and I feel like having it with you here.
Hey, let's go to your house now so that you can have me to yourself.
Hey, leave my house first. We'll go to my house later. Let us just do it in the bush.
Bush?
Yes.
We'll be doing it in the bush. Let's go to your house and do it. That's why I came. I carried my bag.
See, my whole body is shaking.
I bought you some things and I bought money for you.
But for now, let's do it. Let us do it in the bush. My body is shaking.
Yeah, let's go. Anything for you.
My sweet bag. My sweet bag. My sweet bag.
My dear, I've been waiting for you. Huh? I've been waiting for you.
Do you know that? Alex, Alex left the community empowerment skill just to be with love. Maggie.
What are you talking about? I don't understand. Which Alex? The same Alex that I know. Alex left the community development skill that will make him somebody. After a woman.
According to what I mean, that he said he wants to marry first.
Alex wants to marry first. Why is it that some boys don't even have sense? And why is he acting like a junkie for the same Maggie that Komu Maggie? Maggie that doesn't even look at him at all, that doesn't even notice him.
Because of love. love.
I don't understand though. What is even going on in this community, this village? What is going on in this village?
I don't know.
My dear, this your new self has just taking everything out. Kind of nonsense.
Okay, so that you're angry.
Why would I be angry?
So I brought
something that will empower him. He left it for one stupid love, but I don't understand.
I brought good news to you now.
My dear, I beg. I don't want to hear your news again.
Oh, wait.
Be coming. You wait now. I don't.
Sweet Maggie, my sweet Maggie, sweetest of them all. Hi! Oh my God. Do you know that a man can get well? You are the only woman that used to make me get well.
Let's start going to your house.
No. You can't go to my house now. You can't go to my house.
What do you mean I can't go to your house? Let's go now. That's why I came to your town. Let's go.
No, we'll go to my house later. We'll go to my house later.
I don't understand. How? Why are you collecting everything I bought for you in the road? Eh? It's not nice now. Let me go to your house. I came to visit you and I want to discuss something with you.
Am I not the one you bought all these things for?
You are the one I bought all these things for now.
You know we just had something. You'll be very tired. My house is
I want to discuss something private with you. Let's go to your house so I will still know your house.
Let us discuss it here. What is it? Tell me.
I don't know how I've been feeling.
How you been feeling?
Yes, I feel I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Have you taken paracetamol? Maybe it's headache. Oh, you never can tell.
It's not any headache. It's the truth. Yes, the way my body is feeling. It's not. I know it's pregnancy, but it's not a bad thing now. Maybe you come and marry me now.
No. It's not a bad thing.
Let's go to your house.
No, don't worry. Just go to your house for now.
I should go back to my village.
Just go. I'll come and see you later. Just go, yeah?
I came from a far distance.
Go, my sweet Maga. Don't you trust me? Just go first. I'll see you later. Deliver. Just go.
Why will you discharge me like this? Eh? Somebody that I traveled all the way to come and see in this village. Why? See the sharp something we did now. Eat.
That's your man that came here yesterday. He has 95% of your father's attribute. And my spirit so accepting. My daughter, That was exactly how I met your father.
Oh, that's so sweet and so romantic. I really miss my father.
I know.
Yes. Oh, Mama, is it because he dashed you money? That's why you like him?
Money?
Mm-hmm.
What is money? How can you say a thing like that? Far from that. In that young man, I saw true love for you. Right in his eyes. Yes. And I wish to have him as a son.
Oh, Mama, please, enough of this your fantasy. Please. I just started.
My daughter, what an adult sees sitting down, a child cannot see from far.
Oh, again.
I tell you, that young man will treat you like the queen you are.
Yes. Mama, you don't know where the relationship is heading to. And you just say you like him. How? Please.
I don't need a soothsayer to say that to me. Search no more, my daughter. In that young man you have found your future husband.
Hey! My people! Hey! My mother is now a sinner. Let's come and meet her when your problems are over. Yes. Mama, you won't kill me.
Don't doubt me.
Mama, you've done a sinner now.
Of course, I saw it. And I'm still seeing it like...
I concur. Father, I'm really bothered. Something is really bothering me.
Bothering you?
Yes.
What could that be?
You know Maggie, my friend.
Yes.
My best friend.
Yes.
I want you to advise me on something.
What?
There's a guy called Alex.
Alex.
The dark guy that has beard.
That one that is so cute.
Yes. He has been asking Maggie out for a very long time. And he's in love with Maggie. But Maggie is not responding. And she refused to date him. And now he's asking me out. After a long while.
Is that what bothers you?
Yes, I don't mean to sound like I betrayed her.
Do you like the guy?
Yeah, he's okay. He's okay. It's not bad.
Do you love him?
I wouldn't call that love because we have not started doing anything together.
You must have feelings for him.
I just told you here somehow.
My dear, follow your heart. We all know that the guy is interested in Maggie. Why Maggie is there, glossing over his shadow? So why are you bothering yourself? I bet cheer up, Jerry. Follow your heart, my dear. Yeah?
So, you feel if I have anything to do with him, it's not an offense?
No. Capital no. Cheer up now.
My love.
Yeah?
Honey.
My love.
Come.
My love.
I've gotten the money as I promised. So I want you to go inside, pack your things, get the kids ready. You are leaving for the city. Also.
Why the rush, my love?
Don't you trust me? I said I've already gotten the money. Nene gave banana. No, I will explain to you later. Just go and pack your things.
Okay, let me drop this. I'm going to
Together, last one. If you like it, love me. If you don't like it, no love me. So I decided to love you, but this kind of love, not yet I go die.
Who's responsible? Eh? Who's responsible? See, I am not angry with you at all. Oh. I am not. Since I cannot see your so-called lover, at least I can have a grandchild from an unknown son-in-law. I am not angry. I am solidly behind you. But you see this pregnancy, you must keep it. Nothing must happen to this pregnancy. And if you try thinking of aborting this pregnancy, you will die. Because I've caused you already. You must have this child. You must have it too. Who is responsible?
Is this a love? Is this a love? Kandua Obuka love siata Onemen jiggy jiggy bam bam If I can someone on my heart If this is dream, I beg you no waking me up Your love shirike, but this one too sweet, yeah. As I have decided to love, no going back. If you like it, love me. If you like it, hate me. It don't concern me. But this kind of love,
Maggie,
I go die.
Maggie, Maggie! Mama? Sonia. Ma? Welcome. Good morning, Ma. Morning, dear. You're welcome. Thank you, Ma. Actually, she's not around. Actually, I think that she's buying some medicine. Come and sit down. Sit down, my daughter. Okay. Sit down. You're welcome. Thank you. You say you don't want anything.
No, let me wait for her.
Sonia, I actually been longing to ask you something. Don't be offended.
No. What is it?
And I want you to tell me the truth. If you want to see my age and above.
I'll tell you the truth. What is it?
Does Maggie bring food to you?
No.
Oh then.
Maybe to her newfound love.
Newfound love? Oh, I see. Okay, thank you for telling me the truth. You say you don't want anything.
No, I don't want anything.
Yes. Okay then. Thank you. I'm busy inside. How could you? Hey, Maggie, how could you stoop so low to take your mother's food to a stupid stranger?
Mama, he's not a stranger, he's my fiancé.
That boy must be a very callous person. He's so stupid and useless. So he enjoys seeing you take your mother's food to him than seeing your well-being and mine?
Mama, he's just passing through a phase now. Normal thing that men used to face. Life is throwing him up and down, but he will soon get
Now listen, let me tell you. Let today be the first and the last you will ever take my food to that idiot. else I'll curse you and disown you.
Mama, it's okay now. It has not gotten to that.
I am your mother. I should be able to tell you the truth. Now leave my presence. Leave my presence. Get out! Take my food to that idiot that calls himself whatever he calls it. See.
Yeah, Sonia. Sonia, why did you go and tell my mother that I did not give you food? Because I did not give you food the other day. That's the only offense I committed. Why did you go and open your mouth like a preta? Go and tell my mother that I did not give you food. It's not only the other day that I did not give you food.
Please don't insult me because of food. Is that why you're shouting for me as if I'm a child? What is it? You know we're very comfortable, we're not poor. So please don't insult me because of food.
Okay, so I will shout, you will shout. So now you're not getting level, you're getting morale, I will shout, you shout. Why do you open your mouth like a preta? Why do you go and tell my mother? Can't you see your mouth for God's sake?
What do you want me to do? When your mother asked me to tell her the truth if I want to get to her age.
Is it better if you don't get to my mother's age?
God forbid.
Oh, you want to hold?
Don't say that to me, please.
Had it been you left the house when you were supposed to leave, this will not happen. You know that I was not around, yet you did not leave on time. I didn't mean you left immediately. My mother will not see space to ask you questions.
Thank God you know I told her the truth too. I have to tell her so I'll get to her age. Yes. And meanwhile, how do you want me to know that you're not around? Moreover, your mother asked me to wait for you. Yes. So what do you want me to do?
My mother asked you to wait. Or did she ask your mouth to leak? Did she ask your mouth to leak the preta?
Why are you angry with me?
Hey, stop following me. I don't know why you're following me like housefly.
It's okay, Maggie. See, Maggie, all these things, all this drama, now I don't want it. There's something I want to tell you. See, my own is that you should be mindful of how you behave, what you do. Because of your mother's hypertension.
I don't understand. As native doctor that used to take care of my mother as what? Mind yourself, respect your old age. Let me not insult you now. Nonsense, advice and no magbe. You're advising me. This person, because you are shining these days. That's what's wrong with you?
Yeah, you don't know what
you are shining these days.
Yes, now you don't know what is happening. No. Anytime I come to tell you, you will not be around. Or you're angry with me. Calm down, let me gist you. It's Alex. He bought me plenty clothes.
Which Alex?
Slippers. The Alex you know now.
Mumu Alex.
Stop it, it's not Mumu. I like him, he's a handsome man.
You like a handsome also? Alex bought you gown. Alex bought you fine clothes.
Yes.
Starting when? Making no love one.
He's a very nice guy. I like him.
How did you catch him?
You know now. Shibi, you dashed me too.
I can never dash you such a thing. I threw him away, you picked him. He dashed you. God forbid that. I did not dash you because I cannot dash you on some people. I will only dash you people that have sense.
He's a very nice guy.
For you now. Is it the one that gave you this nails? He took it away, you painted your nails.
Yes. I've upgraded.
Hey!
I've upgraded.
Sonia.
Yes. Yes. Thank you for giving me Alice. Thank you.
Alice, go sit down. Plenty. For you to collect it, let's be going. Let's just continue to go to your house now. Because I was using anger to move. I didn't know where I was moving to. Let's go sit down.
Yes, so.
Auntie, my man. This is Andy. How you doing now?
How go take care of you?
I have not seen my friend for a very long time now. So I said let me come and check if everything is alright.
You try. You dey find your friend. After you don't chop and finish. On top of his own sense, now you chop am, abi?
I don't understand. Wait. Now wetin him tell you? Auntie, why now? Why you go dey lie on top of my head? See, let me tell you, we shared it 50-50. I shared the money 50-50 with him now.
You dey lie. No dey lie. You dey surprised side now, abi? You see that my guy? You know they lie to me. You know they lie to me. See, very soon, I go cut off the friendship where you get with them. Because you no be better friend at all. Before you go come spoil am for me.
Wetin come with this talk now? You be like say your breast cover your ear. You don't hear wetin I talk? I said we share the money 50-50. I'm not here to talk to you. I'm here to see my friend. Where is he? Where is Andy?
Why you not go look for him? All the whole Oshofri wey dey chop for your head, you know they see him again. Now you don't find am come. See, if you not come up from here, if I not pour you this pants water, make you not say no to me. Come up for here also.
You go pour me pants water?
Yes.
You got me pants.
You won't try me? You won't try me?
No problem.
No, come back now.
You go pour me pants water?
Idiot.
Pants where I don't know where he from, come out how he be. No,
Idiot.
I'm here to see my friend, not you.
Nonsense human being.
You will pour me pants water.
Come back here now.
Me?
If I don't pour them inside your mouth, make you pour me
anything.
anything.
Me the pants.
Idiot.
I don't drink it.
What result, Mama?
You're pregnant. Maggie, you're pregnant too. You're pregnant now. What is wrong?
Mama, don't say so now, please. Don't say so. It can just be common malaria. Although I've not seen my period this month.
Oh! That confirms it now. You have said it by yourself. You are pregnant. Maybe you will take this news to that unknown son-in-law. Go and break it for him. Give him this news. Tell him that what you people are eating in private is finally out.
Mama, I'm sorry. I did not mean it this way. I don't know it will end up like this.
How? I envy those women that their daughter will honor by bringing their suitors for them. Those women that their daughter's bride price is being paid. But my own is different. You bring shame. You bring dishonor.
No, Mama. I remove shame from you. I bring in glory. Mama, I will bring glory for you. Don't worry, my husband is coming. He's coming now to come and marry me.
If not for something else, I will just slap you now. Are you mad, little Lala? Are you sick? Don't be talking. You will not close your mouth one bit. That is why you don't know anything. Shame on you. Baby elephant, you don't know anything.
My love, Uche told me the whole thing you did to him. I'm very impressed. You did well.
Trust me.
Do you know that Uche is very greedy? Very greedy.
I know. Ha! Trust your lady now. You know what I did?
Very happy. Very happy. Huh? Can you imagine? I know the reason why he came here is because he has stopped seeing the whole packages that normally come from Maggie.
Yes.
I've stopped everything now.
You see, before you do anything, make sure say you tell Maggie. Yes, tell Maggie everything. You see, you know I never supported this, but you talked me into it.
I know, I'm sorry. But tell him Maggie, you know, I only took advantage of a desperate lost girl. I cannot tell her. How I want to take step? How I want to take talk?
So what do we do now? What do we do?
Think of something. Now you always think.
But I know what to do. Yes. I go think of something, then I go tell you later.
I beg.
Yes.
That girl
Now I
no
crack
deserve
my
am.
brain.
That girl no deserve am. That boy is very wicked.
Very. I say for him eye now. Now make I do a wetin I do.
Oh my goodness, why is this number not going through now? Why at this kind of critical time? Why now? Why? Uche, why is your number not going through? You told me we were going to meet today now. By this time. I've been trying your line since. It's not going. I've been looking for you. It's true.
Maggie, what is true? Calm down now.
It's true. I'm pregnant. I was vomiting this morning when my mother saw me. She now confirmed that I'm pregnant. She said, "Oh, my body has changed." Oh.
Maggie, so this is true.
It's true.
No wonder your breasts have been swelling up, increasing. Oh yeah, calm down. Stop panting. Relax. What you're going to do now is run now to go and meet Uche. Yes, meet him.
I've already told him to wait for me somewhere.
Beautiful.
I will call him. Then I'll still go and tell Andy, his friend.
You need to meet him so he will come and do some.
You need to pay my bride price.
Now.
I will come and tell him. Because the thing friend my mind.
Calm down. Meet him and let's know how far. Sorry. Hey, Maggie, what is it now? Calm down, no. Hey, God, you see what I've been warning this girl and the mother. You see now,
Give me this thing now. See, Belinda is not around. So sharp.
Hey, I have the news.
What is it? What is it?
Maggie is pregnant.
Maggie is pregnant. Let her be pregnant now. She's a very stupid girl. Why won't she be pregnant when she's losing over a married man?
Uche is married.
Uche is married with 4 kids.
Hey.
Four. I say 4 children. I'll talk to you.
Andy, who is married?
Sorry, yes. Sorry, I'm saying it like this.
My Uche
is married. That's 4 children. His number is not even connected. He's a very wicked boy. Do you know all the things I've been giving to him? He's only that shirt you saw me that day with. That's the only thing he gave me. It's only 1,000 or 2,000. That sometimes. All the money. Very greedy.
She's married.
She's married.
She deceived me.
No guess.
She made me collect my mother's money. She made me.
His number is not connecting again. Nobody can reach him on the phone. No, you cannot do this here. You cannot do this here. Don't do this one here. Don't do this one here. Don't do it here. Don't leave her, Maka. Leave her. Don't do this one here. Hey! That's mommy.
I cannot throw and for myself like for a man when I know my worth. Yeah. It's so funny. How people will be seeing true love standing in front of them. Yet they will be pursuing riffraff everywhere. How the Almighty has fallen. Finally, cheap maiden like this. Let me come and see how she will be parading herself in the village. Like she's the only one in this place, high and mighty.
Hey, Iduh, Shakara don't end.
Shakara don't end. Maggie carry belly. How are you now?
Alright,
hope everything is okay. My friend
is okay. With this your cute baby.
You left me now.
Yeah, my baby Jerry.
Oh, baby.
Are you even sure he's the
owner
of
of
this
baby? I heard the gist too.
You don't come.
Now your friend Belinda, she's pregnant. Who told you? Look at this one. It's everywhere. It's everywhere that she's pregnant.
It's everywhere, my dear. Andy has been saying it everywhere that Belinda is pregnant. I told her, but she wouldn't listen. Now look at. Wait. It's responsible. Tell me. See, it's because of one thing. That's why I want to say it, my friend. You know that thing, that Rastafarians. Who? Brian. Hey, wait. You mean that junkie? No. That Caribbean returning. Bam. This girl, no, this girl did not try at all. But why now? I don't know. No, this girl, she has fucked up. She doesn't behave like me at all. After all the paparazzi, all the serene, no, she fucked up. Big time. I don't know. Aye. Now, I don't even know how it happened. I don't know. So where is she now? You still want to know where? Tell me, where is she? Oh, baby. She's with that. No, the Joker. That one. So how is the guy even going to take care of her and this unborn baby? My dear. Anyway, let me go and tidy my baby up. You. My dear, what to do? You see, the guy pee on your body. What to do, my dear? He's telling you, go and do another one. Go and do another one. Say bye to auntie, oh. Let's go, my friend. Do you know that Belinda went for abortion and died?
Haha. Belinda kwa?
You have not heard.
The Belinda that I know.
The one that you know now.
The Belinda that I know, I'll be another Belinda.
The Belinda you know.
Hey.
That dark one. Ha!
But why would she go for abortion now?
Because she has been sleeping with many men. She don't know which one got her pregnant. She has been sleeping with Andy, Brian, plus other men. They're plenty. Who knows? The one I know, that is the one I mentioned.
I'm feeling pity for her family. Oh. That fine girl. Just waist like that. Fine girl.
Hey. Every time, one problem for the other, one problem for the other.
Hey. Child. Oh, God.
Where have you been?
I've been in the neighboring village, that my cousin's place. You know, I had to go for Priamugo before the mother would come. What did you want?
Hey, no wonder I'm not busy here with this your gossip. You should have gave back. You should have gave back. Hey. Onya Shere. Zibadi
It's not your fault.
Zike.
It's not your fault.
Take a easy.
It's my fault I came to look for you.
Ha! Hey, wait. You will not give me this village.